Hi guys and welcome back to a new video. My name is Martina and this is the secret craft room. Today's video is a collaboration with Traci from Traci Vanover Designs, Morena from Morena's Corner and Nancy from Handy Scandy's Crafty Ventures. Make sure to check out their channels as well as the playlist. Everything is linked in the description box. Besides from ghosts, bats and pumpkins, I love decorating with skulls and skeletons, so I decided to make some candle holders using cheap plastic mini skulls. Please don't forget to subscribe and also give my video a thumbs up if you like it. And without further ado, let's get into the video. I am going to use some small plastic skulls from Dollar Store and also these plastic pillar candles. The first thing I did was to cut out 3 circles from thick cardboard. Then I cut out 6 circles from thinner cardboard, 2 for each candle holder. Next I glued the cardboard pieces together. Then I arranged 6 skulls in a circle and glued them together. Then I glued the cardboard piece on top. Then I filled up the space between the cardboard pieces with hot glue. Next I used aluminum foil to fill in the spaces between the skulls and the cardboard, and then I covered that with hot glue as well. Then I used Mod Podge and toilet paper to cover all the foil and glue parts. While that dried, I started working on the candles. I used my glue gun to imitate wax strips. I started at the bottom and worked my way up. Lastly, I added a lot of glue to the top edge and let that run down a little bit. Next I mixed black acrylic paint and baking soda and covered the candle holders with that. I did this to the inside as well. Then I painted the candles black too. First I used only acrylic paint for them, but later on I decided that I wanted more texture, so I added a layer of paint mixed with baking soda to them too. Once everything had dried, I mixed white and light brown to create a light beige color. Then I dry brushed the candle holders with that. I did a pretty heavy dry brushing because I want mine to be mostly light, but you can do thinner coats if you want. Next I mixed light brown and black to create a dark grayish brown. Then I watered it down and added it to the pieces. Then I used some paper to wipe it off before it had dried. Once dry, I dry brushed them with the light beige again. Next I added a semi-glossy varnish to the candles because I think that makes them look a bit more realistic than using matte as I normally prefer. And lastly, I added a coat of matte Mod Podge to the candle holders. Please don't forget to subscribe and give my video a thumbs up if you liked it. And make sure to check out the playlist that is linked in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.